In the vast void, building blocks of worlds drift, a cloud of cosmic dust and gas. Then, gravity whispers, pulling matter, drawing the cloud into a colossal spinning disk. At the heart of the swirl, a star is born, our sun, a furnace of creation, illuminating the forming solar system. Around the young star, a debris disk spins, where tiny particles begin a slow dance of collision and growth. Dust becomes pebbles, pebbles become rocks, growing into planetesimals, the seeds of future worlds. Chaos reigns as rocky bodies collide. Some are destroyed, but others merge, building larger masses. Billions of impacts later, a giant takes shape, the proto-Earth. Then, a cataclysm, a rogue planet's impact, reshaping our world, debris flung out. From the wreckage, a companion is born, the moon, forged in fire, taking its place in orbit. The Hadean Eon, with intense heat, endless eruptions, a world of fire and brimstone. Gases erupt from the core, forming a thick, early atmosphere, a swirl of steam and chemicals. Over ages, the surface slowly cools. A fragile crust starts to solidify beneath the turbulent sky. And then, the rains begin. A deluge of epic proportions, falling for ages, filling the lowest basins. The birth of the oceans, vast, warm, and filled with dissolved minerals, covering the cooling planet. Beneath the waves, volcanic activity continues, releasing chemicals, creating unique environments on the seafloor. Through ongoing geological forces, the first small landmasses appear, barren islands in a global ocean. The Archean Eon begins, a time of forming continents and continued geological change. In warm, rich oceans, life takes first frail steps. Single-celled microbes, the planet's first life. These early life forms discover a new power, harnessing sunlight to create energy, releasing a vital byproduct, oxygen. Oxygen begins to accumulate, first in the oceans, reacting with minerals, painting the seafloor red. As the minerals are saturated, oxygen escapes into the air, slowly, gradually, changing the very breath of the planet. The Proterozoic Eon dawns. As continents build, its world transformed by oxygen. Continents drift and collide, forming vast supercontinents, reshaping the planet's surface. Within the oxygenated oceans, life evolves. The first complex cells appear, the ancestors of all multicellular life. Simple cells join together, forming the very first multicellular organisms, soft and strange. The planet faces extreme challenges, plunged into deep ice ages, periods of snowball Earth. But life endures, and the thaw brings a surge of nutrients, fueling a new explosion of life. The Cambrian explosion, a burst of evolution, filling the oceans with a dazzling array of new creatures. After billions of years in the water, life ventures onto land, slowly, tentatively, adapting to a new frontier. And so, the stage is set for the incredible story of life to unfold on a dynamic, living planet.